Today, an Iron County judge handed down a sentence worth more than a decade for one of the 5 people involved in the murder of a Lac du Flambeau man. James Lussier accepted a plea deal in exchange for testifying against his older brother Joseph, and Richard Allen were both sentenced to life without parole for Wayne Valliere Jr.'s murder. Newswatch 12's Dakota Sherrick was at that hearing today. She joins us live in the studio with more. Dakota, good evening.
Wayne, James Lussier was visibly emotional during his sentencing hearing today. At one point, Lussier made a tearful apology to Wayne Valliere Jr.'s family, but for them, those tears will never make up for the life that was taken from them.
I know you're crying now, but I've been crying for almost a year.
Many members of Wayne Valliere Jr.'s family spoke directly to James Lussier in court, a man sentenced in Valliere's murder.
We're not the same. I'm not the same person anymore.
I just can't understand why. I don't know why. And you could have done something.
On New Year's Day in 2018, Valliere's body was found in a remote part of Iron County where he had been shot to death. Wayne Valliere Sr. told Lussier in court that while he can't forgive him, he does pray that Lussier changes his ways.
It just breaks my heart to see a young man, his life is basically forfeit over poor choices and poor direction.
Lussier's mother argued for a lighter sentence for her son, since he says he was not one of the defendants who attacked Valliere.
My son is not a violent person. I have a violent bone in his body, and I know we have to pay. Please give him a chance.
Lussier took time to express his own remorse.
He didn't deserve to get his life taken from him. No matter how much times I say I'm sorry, that won't bring him back or take the pain away.
Despite Lussier's attorney arguing his client was the least involved in Valliere's murder, Judge Patrick Madden decided to give Lussier the maximum possible sentence under his plea deal, which includes 15 years in prison.
It's too little, too late, and I hope that you make better choices in your life, and I wish you well.
Valliere Sr. says that decision won't lift the burden of his family's loss, but it will send a message to those involved with drugs and crime.
That it's not going to be tolerated, and also, that possibility of people, taking the right road, making the right choices, going into the right way of life, and seeing where this road leads.
In addition to 15 years in prison, Lussier will also get 15 years of supervised release, followed by 8 years on parole.